it's Bruce here again. I'm just going to show you how to put one of the valve springs back on the Suzuki cylinder head, and this is the procedure. Before you put the valve stem seal on, you must put on this washer because you can't put it on later on. So we'll put that washer on there first, which goes on underneath the spring. Then next up, we'll put a bit of oil around here just to make it go on there a little bit easier. A little bit down the guide too, won't hurt. A little bit in here on the valve stem seal. Let's put that down there. I'm not sure if that's right down or not. We'll put this socket on there, give him a little tap. Check him again. Yep, I reckon he's right on. Right then, so we've got that on. Roll this over. We've got our little valve here. Put a bit of oil on that. Oil on the stem. Wipe my finger off. As you're pushing them up, I'll just show you this. As you're pushing them down, it's got to go through the rubber, so we want to be nice and gentle. We don't want to damage the rubber, so just hold a bit of pressure on it for a minute till it gives in. Then next thing is, I'll come in this side and go around the other side. The valve spring on. Here we are. We like to press the spring down. Yep, looks like we've got that sitting there. I find it easier if we just put a little bit of oil, a bit more oil on the stem, and that can help hold the collet in place. There's not much room to work here. Just a patience game. Get that sitting in the right place then. I'm nearly sitting in the right place. Righto then. So we've got the collet laying on its back in the bottom half. Just got to push that collet around. Push it around a bit more. Rightio. Well, the last one was the hardest one. Just normally the way things go. Now just to make sure that they're all right. They're all sitting in place. Play a little tune. No collets have jumped out. Right, so that's got that part done. Springs on, retainers on, collets in. Don't forget the steel washers go on first, then the valve stem seals, because you can't get the washers, the very bottom washers on over the valve stem seals, which is a bit of a trap for new players. So the next procedure will be fit the cam, then the rocker arms, and then we'll be able to set the tappets, bolt the end plate on, which I think will go on that end, like the retaining plate so the cam can't float backwards and forwards. Then we've got to go for studs. Studs on the exhaust side. I can't remember what was on the intake side, whether bolts or studs on the other side as well. So that's about where we're up to now. So we might call it a day and do some more maybe tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you later.